Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to manage your iPad storage. Although you can't really do much with it, but it does have some advantages like downloading software updates or downloading new apps you need. So the first place you want to go is Settings, General, iPad Storage, and then you just want to pick apps you don't want and click on Delete App. And it helped a little. Another place you could go is to Safari. Now this is where all the problems are. Start page, close other tabs, then you can go up to the book in the top left corner, history, clear, and clear all history. Or you can go to settings, scroll until you find Safari, scroll down until you find clear history and website data, clear all history. Another thing that could be bugging your storage is mail that you have over the years. So I'm using the mail app because I set up the mail app. So under the mail app, you can go to trash and delete all your messages, and go to inbox and delete all your messages. Or if you use Outlook, you can go to Outlook, inbox, delete all your stuff in your inbox, click on deleted, and then you can delete all your messages. That should help. Other reasons your iPad storage could be full is because you have high files, notes, or photos. First place you want to go is files. Now there are multiple ways to delete stuff. You can either click select at the top of your screen and select the files you want to delete, or you can hold down the file you want to delete and click the delete button. Next, you want to go to recently deleted, click on select, and select the files you want to delete. Next place you want to go is notes. So notes could be a problem because you downloaded Minecraft mods, or you just have high notes that you have a lot of written on from over the years. So to delete notes, you can either click the three dots at the top of your screen and click the delete button, or you can swipe and click the trash can. Now go to your recently deleted, click on edit, click on the trash can, or you can swipe. Next place you want to go is photos. So photos could be another issue because you have videos that are like 2 minutes long that take up a lot of storage, or you just have random screenshots. So to delete photos, you can either hold down on the photo and click delete, or you can click the select button and select the photos you want to delete. Now go to your recently deleted. You can either do the same thing. Hold down on the photo you want to delete, or click the select button and select the photos you want to delete. Now the last place you want to go is settings, general, software update. And if you're getting a software update, you will get a prompt saying your iPad OS is up to date, or you need a new update. So this could be another issue because when you don't download an update, it just sits in your storage and waiting for you to download it. So yeah, that's all the tips I have for you on iPad storage. If you have any more, let me know.